Hello, my name is BoBo. Today, I'm going to tell you a story full of valuable lessons and important morals. Our story today is The Forgetful Elf's Perfect Present. The Workshop of Worry. Pip was an elf in Santa's workshop, but he had a problem. He was terribly forgetful. He would start making a rocking horse and forget to add the rockers. He would paint a dollhouse and forget the door. With the big night approaching, Pip was given his most important job yet, to create a special, unique gift for a little girl named Lily. The instructions simply said, "Make her happy." Pip panicked. What if he forgot something crucial? What was the perfect gift? The research mission. Determined not to fail, Pip decided to learn everything about Lily. He peeked through the snow globe screen and watched her. He saw that she loved birds and spent hours drawing them in a sketchbook. She would leave crumbs on her windowsill for the sparrows. But he also saw that she looked a little lonely. Pip had an idea. He would make her the most beautiful, intricate ceramic songbird that could whistle a real tune. He focused all his energy on getting every feather perfect. A forgetful disaster. The ceramic bird was exquisite. Pip painted it with brilliant blue and white feathers. But as he was adding the final touch, the magical whistle mechanism, he heard a crash in the workshop. Startled, he dropped the tiny mechanism, and it shattered into 100 pieces. It was too late to make another. The perfect gift was ruined. Pip sat amidst the pieces of the beautiful, silent bird, heartbroken. He had failed. A gift from the heart. As midnight approached, Pip had no gift. In desperation, he thought about what he had seen. Lily loved birds. She was kind to them. She drew them. An idea sparked. It wasn't perfect or magical, but it was from the heart. He gathered a blank notebook, some charcoals from the workshop fireplace, and a small pouch of the special seeds the reindeer loved. On the first page of the notebook, he drew a simple, loving picture of Lily feeding the sparrows on her windowsill. The real magic. On Christmas morning, Lily opened the large, impressive gifts from the other elves. But when she opened Pip's simple package, her face lit up brighter than the Christmas tree. She loved the notebook and immediately started filling it with her own bird drawings. She scattered the seeds, and her windowsill was soon filled with happy birds. She felt understood. Pip, watching through the snow globe, realized he hadn't forgotten what was important after all. The perfect gift wasn't about being flawless. It was about showing someone you see them and know what they love. Today's lesson is, the best gifts are not the most expensive or perfect, but the ones that show you truly know and care about someone. Make sure to subscribe to BoBo Kids TV to get the latest stories and lessons.